Hey guys, I just wanted to go over a couple examples with you on parameters. Example 1, we are given the equations x equals 3t squared and y equals 2t. And the parameter that is set for us is -2 is less than or equal to t, which is less than or equal to 2. So the way that I like to explore this type of problem is I like to make a table so that I can figure out the direction of my graph. So for this first example, I'm just going to make a table with you. Since our parameters from -2 to +2, I'm just going to go up 1 each time and consider what coordinates we're going to deal with here. So if I plug -2 into my first equation, I have -2 squared is 4. 4 times 3, we've got 12 for the x-coordinate. And we're going to do that for each of the values. And so I have -1 squared is 1, 1 times 3 is 3. 0 squared is 0, times 3, we get 0. And I can continue to fill in those values by plugging in the t-coordinate into my x equation. So I'm going to have 3 and 12. We're going to do the same thing for the y-coordinate. So I'm going to plug in the t values from -2 to 2 into the y equation. So what we have here is -2 times 2 is -4. -1 times 2, -2. 0 times 2 is 0. And we're just going to continue to fill that in based on plugging in the t values into our y equation there. So I get 2 and 4. So what this table helps us do is just create ordered pairs so that we can graph this and figure the direction in which the object is moving. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I will make a coordinate grid. Notice my x values need to range from 0 to 12. And my y values need to range from -4 to 4. So as I draw this, I'm going to put 12 tick marks so that we can consider where we are going out to. And I'm going to go up 4, down 4, and I'm going to start drawing this picture. So whenever t equals -2, we are going to go to 12, -4, and plot a point. When t is -1, we are at the coordinate 3, -2. So I'll plot the point. When t equals 0, we're at the coordinate 0, 0. And notice if I just sketch in this equation as I am plotting the points, I am going in the clockwise direction. So I'm starting at 12, -4, and we are going to go all the way up into 12, +4. So there is my first parametric equation drawn on a graph.